Okay, so hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Leah. If you guys did not know, I already am right now. I'm going my track back down. So yeah, I got a couple loose tracks. If y'all don't know, I be doing quick weaves and shit. So I got a couple loose tracks that I'm about to fix because y'all, I'm finna go to a twerk class tonight. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. I'm so fucking excited to record and vlog though, because y'all, I have not vlogged. I have not picked up my camera at all since February 10th, because that's when I was leaving Atlanta. So yeah, February 10th, that was like the last time I picked up my camera and recorded anything. So I missed recording, but like I just need to take a little break, like a little mental break, because bitch, I ain't even gonna lie. I've been a little sad lately. Like, I don't know what the fuck is going on. I think this is like my sad week of my PMS. So like a bitch everything just been hitting me hard. I'm sad about everything. I want to cry in the bathroom at work. Like, bitch, I just be out of it. But you know what I'm saying, we're slowly getting back together. You know what I'm saying, I got paid today, so you know, direct deposit.
Money on my watch. I mean, time is money. Money on my phone, I mean, I talk to the money. Money on my chain, I mean, the money hang with me.
And I've been saying I want to go to like a dance class, a twerk class, a pole class. Bitch, I want to go to a class, something, because I used to dance in high school, and like that used to be, oh shit, that used to be really fun. But I'm never just like really able to go just because of like work and like, you know, car situations and shit like that. But tonight I have the opportunity, and bitch, the class on sale. It's a $5 day at the Pole Experience in Houston, Texas. And it is a pole class that I would want to go to after the twerk class, but I have to go pick up my little sister at 8 o'clock. So my camera stopped recording, so I really don't remember what I was saying, but I think I was talking about the twerk class. So yeah, I'm going to go do that tonight, but I'm just kind of getting myself to get, oh shit, I sprayed way too much right there. Fuck. Anyways, what the fuck was I talking about? I lost it. Like, so I said I wasn't gonna get my net. Y'all, I just had to fucking battle with trying to open that damn glue. Like, what the hell? Y'all should have seen me over here. But yeah, so I'm trying to fix my nail because this nail is like leaning a little bit, and oh, it was trying me at work, but I was trying to be super careful, because y'all know I work at Amazon, I work at the warehouse, so you know I deal with like I do pretty much everything with my hands. So oh, this nail was trying me, but I was not gonna let it break, because I'm just gonna put some nail glue on it, so maybe it'll last me a little bit. It's like I don't really need a refill. Like on this nail I may need a refill, but I don't need a refill on all of them. Either way it goes, I'm not going to the nail shop this week, because this is my save money week. If you watched some of my previous vlogs, I just got back from Atlanta, so you know that was cute or whatever, but I got to get back to saving for my car, because that's like my next like big goal that I want to accomplish, is getting my car. So I've been saving hella for that, so we're back to that. Yeah, so but yeah, I'm right by the dance place. I'm right by the studio where the class is gonna be. I actually did not run into any traffic. Like, that was very surprising. I got lucky today for it being a, you know, weekday. I got lucky on the traffic. So yeah, and I left my house at like 5:03. So I got lucky. But yeah, I'm finna head there or whatever. I just wanted to give you guys an update on, yeah. It's so cute in here, bro. It's cute like this. I have not been in a dance class in forever. Like, what the fuck? The left side used to be my favorite side, even though I'm right-handed. But yeah.
And I ain't never been alone. I swear to God, I wanna know.
Is it bigger yet, y'all? Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. So what's good? It's the next day. It's really not the next day, but you know, I haven't been doing anything, so I haven't been vlogging. But you know what I'm saying? We can pick up where we left off. And the last thing y'all saw was the dance class, and that shit was so much fun. I really did like it. Like, if you're in Houston, I think I put her Instagram on the screen already, but her Instagram is Simply Seductive, and they have pole classes at where I was and all of that shit. So if you ever want to find something to do, something different, definitely hit her up. Like, I really do like her classes. I've been in her class one time, like last year, and I just haven't been back just because of, I don't know, I guess my own personal reasons. But I really like the way she dances. Like, she don't only do twerk classes, she do like heel classes, all of that. She gives me just like the perfect amount of hoe. She gives me the perfect amount of hoe and real choreography. If you understand, then you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, hold on, turn this shit down. But yeah, she gives, I don't know, but yeah, she's really good. So yeah, I'm gonna invite y'all next time. If I go back to her class this Thursday, if I go back to her class Thursday, I'll put on my Instagram. Hopefully, you know, some of y'all will come and we can all throw ass together. But yeah, right now, after I finish my little home workout, I'm at my friend's house. I don't know if I told you guys this already, but I'm at my friend's house. She at work right now, but I'm just chilling here because that's my friend and I want to be over here. So yeah, I just got the shower. I'm not even doing anything today, but I mean, I missed you guys and I want to vlog and shit, so I'm about to vlog and shit. But I'm about to put my tracks back in, cause see right here, this is coming up, so I need to put that back right there. And then a whole track came out the other day. There's really 2 tracks, but yeah, 2 tracks came out yesterday, so I need to put that back in the back. And yeah, so I'm just trying to get myself together. I just washed my face. My face feels like so clean. I use the soap and glory facial wash. It has vitamin C in it, and you know vitamin C is good for brightening dark spots and shit like that. So I've been using that. And yeah, I need to go find my hair glue though, so hold on one second. Be like, bro, just enjoy the music. My nigga dropped a new album, mixtape, whatever today, and I haven't even listened to it yet. It's just been a Nudy marathon. Like, all I've been listening to is just all his shit, because I just feel like I gotta brace myself for the heat that I know that my nigga produced. Like him, 20 Rocket, everybody, 20 Rocket, DJ, BJ, Mark B, all them niggas. Like, bro, my life is about to make sense again. I don't know, I just have a very special connection with Young Nudy. Like, when I discovered Young Nudy, I was having like a really hard time in life, and his music just makes me feel better. Like, do y'all have that artist that just, like, when you put them on, like, no matter what, like, you just feel good, you just feel up? Like, that's just what happens. Like, and my friend Kai, like the girl house I'm over, she knows that, like, whenever I'm in my little sad, depressed moods, all she gotta do is put on some Nudy, and I literally just light up. Like, I don't know, like, I don't know, bro. I love that nigga. But yeah, I'm putting my waist trainer on now though, y'all. And I told her while she was going out, I'll try to fix it. I didn't break it though. Finally, I always break people's shit, but I didn't break this. So I told her I was gonna try to fix it, right? And I'm gonna try to fix it with my nail glue. Now, is it me, or do y'all be thinking like nail glue and super glue be like hella like similar? Cause like the, I don't know, the the texture be the same and like what happens when it dries be the same. So I'm gonna try to fix this shit with some nail glue and see what happens. But see, look, oh shit. Oh, I'm gonna knock some other shit down. Oh, okay. But then you see like right here, it came like off because it dropped. So I'm gonna see if I like put nail glue on it and maybe like blow dry it. Y'all think it'll work? Let me see. I know one thing though, if it fall again, even though I'm putting this on here, if it fall again, it's gonna break. Like, cause I don't think, oh fuck. Cause I don't think that this is gonna just hold it forever. I don't think super glue holds anything forever, so if it fall again, this shit gonna break. So she need to be careful. Ooh, ooh, okay. If it work, y'all, I just gave y'all some gems. Like, bitch, I don't know. I just gave y'all the tea on how to fix your shit at home. So I'm gonna hold it right here for some seconds. This shit ain't sticking. This shit done for. It's just gonna have to lean up against the wall. I feel like an idiot. This isn't gonna work. I don't know why I thought this would work, but I mean, it made sense in my head though. Like, tell me it made sense, y'all, cause like, you know how super glue is. Bitch, this ain't gonna work. Okay, Leah tried, but it's not gonna work. Oh shit. Okay, it's just gonna have to just lean up against this wall and just try to be great, you know, until she gets her a new lamp. Because this shit is fucked. It keep falling. Okay, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Okay, y'all, so far my favorite song is No Comprende on the album so far. Right now I'm listening to, anyways, if they hear it and I get copyrighted, bitch, I don't give a fuck. Nudy can have my coins, okay? Well, I mean, I don't get paid for this shit anyway, so y'all, somehow my necklace fell. What the fuck? This is the third time I didn't drop it, y'all. Somehow my necklace fell. I don't know how. It fell off my neck, and like, it didn't break off my neck. It fell off. So yeah. And bitch, I was sitting on the couch, right? I'm a little, you know, and I was sitting on the couch and I started smelling something sweet. And like last night we made brownies, and like we put the remaining brownies that still was in the pan, we put it back in the oven. But I started the oven again because I'm about to make some fries, right? And bitch, I left the brownies in the oven. I think, let me see, they still soft and they cooling down. So I think I saved the brownies, but I definitely burnt the pan. But I put some water and some oil in it, so I feel like putting the water and oil in it was kind of stupid. Like the water, yeah, but the oil, but like the oil separated, you know, it separates from the water, so that was kind of dumb. But I mean, it may do something. Maybe I figure something out. Maybe I, you know, figure something out for myself. But we're gonna see. But yeah, I'm about to be Chef Leah. Hell no, I'm just gonna make me some fries and a sandwich. Bitch, I can't do this right now. No, but I want to put my necklace on, so hold on. What the fuck? If I lose this thing one more time, I swear to God, I'm gonna slap myself. Ooh, I like this song. Bruh, 20 Rocket is all over this song. I mean, it's all over this album. That's how I know it's good. Because Faded in the Booth is one of my favorite Nudy mixtapes. And 20 Rocket, the producer, he is like all over that shit. That's a talented young man right there, man. I wonder when he turned 21 if he gonna name himself 21 Rocket. Because he's 20. Bitch. Why can't I put it on? Maybe y'all can help me. Alright. Help me out, sis. Oh, see, this is why I got. That's why you my bitch. You had my back. That's the first time I just did it. Like, I've been trying to put this damn necklace on forever, and now it's fucking hair in it. But you know what? We're gonna worry about that later. So, chef time. So I'm about to make me some fries and a sandwich. I would use the pan that actually goes in the oven, but it's over there soaking. So I'm gonna use this one. And something for my friend because she's really hungry. So I'm gonna put it in this pot. Yeah, that's enough for the both. Okay, boom. Fries going in the oven. And then boom. So for the sandwich, boom, look. We got croissant bread. You feel me? Croissant bread. Okay, because we ain't gonna do no basic shit over here. Croissant bread. And then I need to cook. Got the pot with the ridges for the grill. Because you know, I be grilling and shit. I really think I saved the brownies. Like, they're not getting hard. I thought they was gonna get hard. They really cool. It just, so boom. Got the turkey. This is the HEB mesquite smoked turkey breast. Y'all can never open shit. It's like my hands are weak. I don't know. Like, I always have a hard time opening things. We're gonna actually put the meat on the side, you know what I'm saying? So the meat can cook. We want the meat to cook a little bit. Ooh, that's hot. I don't know why I cook with my hands, y'all. I get that from my granny, honestly. Like, certain things I really can't cook with my hands. I washed my hands, though. I really did. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I used to really didn't wash my hands like that. But over time, I realized you need to wash your hands. You need to grow up and wash your hands. So, I be washing my hands. We're gonna transfer the meat from the pan to the croissant. The cheese is a little melted, too. I just held the cheese over the pan because I don't want my bread or my meat to burn or burn the pan. So, but since the meat and like the bread and everything is hot, it's gonna melt just fine. And then we're gonna close that motherfucker. And we're gonna let the cheese melt. Then, after the cheese melt and the shit cool down, you can add your sauce, you can add your flavor, you can add your condiments, you can add your lettuce, you can add your pickles, you can add your tomato, however you like. So my fries and shit, they still cooking. So when all of that's done, I'll show you the finished product. Y'all, I really wish I could just like talk to y'all. Cause bruh, I've been feeling some type of ways lately. But I can't like talk to y'all. You know what? I'ma tell y'all. I'm gonna tell you through song, okay?
Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. Do what you gonna do. Keep me up all night. Hurting vibe and it hurts inside when I look you in your eye.
But yeah, bro. Shit hard out here, bro. And boom, there we have it. We have my sandwich, and we have our seafood shit, and we have my seasoned fries. And you know, you gotta put it on a white plate, a white square plate, so it can look classy, you know, because we're classy over here. And then we're gonna have my side of barefoot, you know what I'm saying? Because y'all know me. Y'all know me in the barefoot, y'all already know. And yeah. But I'm ending this vlog right here though, because ain't shit else gonna go on for the rest of the night. So I hope y'all have a good rest of your week. Come upload this prior tomorrow on Tuesday. So have a good rest of your week. I love you. You a bad bitch. If it's a nigga watching, you a bad nigga. You a rich nigga. And like, comment, and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? And I'll see you in my next video.